Hey guys, we got a question today in a Facebook group from Rafael Campos, which is how to optimize websites for near me keywords. I did record a video and a question before that for the GMB proximity, which is some of these tasks will help the results on the near me keywords. Now, to rank for the near me keywords, the main ranking factors, of course, you're going to have a consistent NAP information, consistent citations, a good authority website, good authoritative backlinks, local niche backlinks. All of this is going to add the authority for your near me location. But I connect the near me results to your location authority itself. I know we do have a website authority, and then I do believe there is something called a location authority, which is the address itself and the location itself. So the first thing would be the content and the site structure. You could refer to the other video that I record about the proximity, the site structure, how to build the website, and the content to mention the cities around your business, and maybe mention the neighborhoods and the cities. The more content that you have and the more pages that you have that covers the city content, that will help in getting better results on the near me location. The other thing I do is actually not a lot of people do it, but I find it helpful. It's an HTML Geo Code. It's basically the old days of adding HTML Geo Code. I actually could go right now and show it to you guys pretty quick. It's basically just a Geo Code HTML generator. Let me see, HTML Geo Code generator. So here we go, and I think the one I use, geotag.de. You put the address, and after you put the address, let's say this is my office address in Worth, address search, and just as an example, if you go down right here, it's going to give you the latitude and longitude for it, and then it's going to give you a code, which is, this is the HTML header that you could use as a meta tag, basically, with the region placement and the geo position. I find out this is helpful in actually tagging your website with an HTML code. It's similar to the images tags too. That will help for sure on the website. So you basically, if you list few images in different pages of the website with geotagging different cities or neighborhood around your business, that will give you higher authority, and which leads to get you more or get you better results on the near me search terms. Local business schema, which is going to include, when you add the local business schema, it's going to include the latitude, geo coordinates of the website, of the location. That's going to help you build your location authority. And then we have the tier 2 backlinks with geographic anchor texts. So we could use text as, I'm just going to use Chicago as a sample right here. Let's say Wicker Park neighborhood, Wicker Park, let's say Plumber, right? So if we're trying to rank for this keywords, I'm gonna drive tier 2 backlinks, and what I mean by tier 2 is, again, backlinks that goes to your top citations, Yelp, to the GMB itself, or to any let's say Yellow Pages, YouTube. Those are tier 2 that it goes, and your tier, which is tier 2, is going to act to as a tier 1. It's going to go to your main website. This way it's just a little bit safer, just in case there's any updates from Google in the future. So creating those geographic anchor text and link them as a tier 2 in backlinks, which is, you could create them as a Web 2.0 backlinks, citation links, whatever you have access for. And the last one, it's actually Creating events, I mean, I understand not every business can do that. You could create events on Facebook, and you could create events on GMB posts, and you could use those titles or H1 tags as city plus services or keyword, and create those events, let's say 6 events across the year, and place them in different locations around your business. List them on your website and have a schema markup, event schema markup for it. And as soon as you do that, multiple event websites is gonna pick up those events. Hopefully they're real events, and then they get you more traffic to your website, and it's going to have a more CTR traffic, click-through rate traffic, and those are local traffic. And this is actually gold for local SEO, which is going to help you ranking higher on the near me locations. Hopefully that answers your question, and I'm looking forward for more questions, guys.